So $552 we have right now on the deposit, $736. One more profitable trade. Yep, so that's it. We have $1,242 on the account. Hi guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader, and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I'm glad to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay guys, so what do we have for today? First of all, I'm trading on one of the best trading platforms ever, named Polkadot. Now I'm setting the chart. Give me several seconds to do this. Let's also choose the indicators. The first one will be Parabolic SAR with a zigzag and Aroon, oscillator, also Bollinger Bands and Fractal. So we have a lot of indicators today. Let's set all of them. The first, the Bollinger Bands, will be 21 period. Let's change the opacity, let's save it. Let's also proceed with Parabolic SAR. Let's change the acceleration mode, it will be 0.015. Concerning the zigzag, let's change the styles. The main line will be brown. Aroon, let's change the period will be 12. Down will be, okay, save. Fine, so according to the Aroon oscillator, let me first change the investment, it will be 150. Now we're ready to start, as I told you. So you can clearly see that first of all we have broken through the bottom line of the descending channel. So we have additionally confirmed that price is going to go lower. According to the zigzag, we're in the sell zone. Parabolic SAR is also telling us the same, so let's listen to them and let's open sell position, wasting our $150 in this trade. So it's done. We have $200 left on the account, and let's see what we will get from this trade. I'm almost sure it will be profitable. Okay, so the first trade is profitable, and we have around $488 on the account. Let's move forward. So let's check the second currency pair for today's trading session. Just give me several seconds. This is Polkadot. Okay, so we have invested $200 in the buy position. As you can see, price has broken through the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel, having confirmed that we are ready to move higher. According to the zigzag indicator and Parabolic SAR, we're in the buy zone right now. Fractal is also telling us the same, so of course we have open buy position in the continuation of the current growth. We're just following the trend. It was loss, my friends, unfortunately. For the beginning, everything was okay, but then, not good. Okay, anyway, we have $288 left on the account. We can fix this. Let's check once again the Polkadot chart. Now we are trying to get back below the middle line. Let's change our investment to $288. We're going all in. And let's try to open buy position from the retest of the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel. I am sure that we will highly likely get the pullback reaction from the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel. So $552 we have right now on the deposit. This was one more profitable trade. By the way, guys, while you are watching this video, please don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private TG, because here we'll get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message, you will get access to the best VIP channel ever with the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. Fine guys, so while I was talking, I have already opened one more sell position, investing $200 here. So 736 bucks we have right now on the account. This is a very good result. This trade was also closed with profit. It was a very simple one. We have just broken through the middle line. After this, we continue dropping. Let's check Bitcoin chart. So here we are staying on the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel. This is also the support line zone of the Parabolic SAR. We're highly likely to receive pullback reaction from this zone. So let's help the price, I think. Or let's better choose also Chainlink chart. So here, price is hitting the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands channel right now. And we are ready, I think, to receive the pullback reaction from it. So let's try to open sell position from here, because we're highly likely to drop. We have invested $250 here. So let's do this. Almost just like several minutes left, and we will see the result of this trade. There's several seconds left. For now, everything is looking really good. We're just receiving the pullback reaction from the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands channel together with the zigzag line, which is acting like the resistance line zone, and we're now touching the middle line of the Bollinger Bands. So that's a very strict trade according to the technical analysis. So that's it, my friends. One more profitable trade, and we still have some time, I think, for the last trade for today's trading session. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Let's don't waste our time. Let's check Chainlink once again. No, let's check Litecoin, Coin. Yes, Ton. Let's try to trade Ton right now. We're moving in a very sharp upgoing channel. According to the Parabolic SAR, we're in the buy zone. According to the Zigzag, we're in the buy zone. Let's change our investment to $300. And let's try, I think, to open, give me 1 minute. Yes, let's try to open buy position in the continuation of the current growth. This will be perfect, I guess. This will be perfect, guys. So it's almost done. $300 are invested. Let's just see what will we get, my friend. Just relax. Just relax. Almost done, guys. Almost done. Almost. And yep, so that's it. We have $1,242 on the account. My friends, if you want to have the same results like me and multiply your deposit significantly, use the link in my description, subscribe to my private TG right now, and be in my dream team. See you all. Mwah, kisses and bye-bye.